Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, I'm sharing my prediction for Bitcoin this November and why I believe it's increasingly logical for us to break the all-time high. I invite you to stick with me until the end, as I'll outline several data-driven arguments, not just gut feelings, showing why Bitcoin seems poised for a major breakout. Let's start with timing. November has historically been significant for Bitcoin, especially around US presidential elections. For instance, we saw highly bullish performances in November following elections in both 2016 and 2020. So could the upcoming elections set us up for another rally? I believe the answer is yes. The election outcome and Bitcoin. Here's where it gets interesting. Whether Trump or Harris wins, we're likely to see short-term volatility. If Trump wins, the market might react with a sell the news dip, followed by a resurgence as liquidity accumulates at lower levels. In contrast, if Harris wins, the immediate reaction could be a more pronounced drop, but strategic market participants may then buy up liquidity, potentially sparking a reversal. In both cases, we're likely to see a temporary correction followed by a move upwards as liquidity returns to the market. Economic cycles and global liquidity. Regardless of the election outcome, global liquidity is set to rise. Our fiat system depends on debt, and both potential leaders are expected to increase money supply, which is a positive for Bitcoin. We've seen similar patterns in previous cycles where increased liquidity has supported Bitcoin's growth. This time, however, the economic backdrop in the US, high living costs, inflation, and elevated interest rates suggests an even stronger impact on Bitcoin's value. Federal Reserve policies and inflation. This month, we're also expecting an interest rate decision, likely a 25 basis point cut, which could further drive up Bitcoin as investors seek alternative stores of value. If inflation numbers come in higher than expected, the narrative around Bitcoin as a hedge could grow even stronger. Bitcoin dominance over altcoins. As Bitcoin continues its upward trajectory, altcoins may struggle to keep up until 2025. We could see a consolidation in the altcoin market, with only a few standout projects recovering strongly. This is a typical cycle we've observed before, where Bitcoin leads the rally before capital flows back into other assets. In summary, I believe Bitcoin breaking its all-time high is not a question of if, but when. We're in a unique confluence of election cycles, economic policy shifts, and liquidity trends that all point toward a breakout. Let's watch the election closely. It's bound to be a turning point for Bitcoin's next big move. If you like this content, please leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bell to never miss another update. And see you in the next one.